For your penny Polish sausage dish, first of all, get your noodles boiled and done. Then start your zucchini, bell pepper, onion, and mushrooms sauteing. And add a little bit of your garlic powder. While your vegetables are sauteing, get your sausage sauteing as well at the same time. Try to brown up both sides, and I saute or fry everything in either coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil. Coconut oil gives a better flavor. When your sausage is browned, go ahead and dump that in with your vegetables. Stir that around. Then add your noodles to your vegetables and sausage and get that all mixed in well. Then add your red pasta or marinara sauce of choice and mix all that in very well and saute it together. Next, you can sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese or cheese of your choice and enjoy.